So first, let's talk about your background, how you got into this position, your education, background, and law enforcement.
Well, I've been in law enforcement pretty close to a little bit over going to 34 years now. I got into it at a young age, joined the United States Army as a military police, spent a little bit over 5 years there. Got out of the military, spent nearly a little over 21 years at the Longview Police Department, and after I got out of there, I had retired once I won the election here in 2017.
And so this is going to be your, what term number now?
This is, I'm going for my third term.
Going for your third term.
Yes.
So this is your third term going into the sheriff position here in Upshur County. Why run again?
Well, one thing is we've done such good work up to where we are now, and we want to continue to do that. I still have some more things I want to get done.
And so whenever you typically think of a sheriff's role, politics really doesn't play a role in that. Is that still the case?
It plays a little bit more than you think.
How so?
Well, one thing is the sheriff has to be able to work with everybody, and a lot of it is working with other elected officials in the county, having a good relationship with your commissioners, having a good relationship with the DA, the district judge, and the county judges. Just because we're in that whole realm of the law enforcement part, the judicial part, and everything. Having a good relationship with commissioners is because those are the ones that give you your budget, and you need to be able to discuss, take things to them, tell them what your needs are, what your plans are, where you want to go, and so they can help you get there.
Now, earlier you were mentioning you're going to your third term because there's still stuff on your list you want to finish. What are some of those priorities, in addition to whatever else you want to do going into your third term?
Right now, the biggest one that we want to try to do a lot with is we want to do something about the mental issues here. And that's really a statewide issue. I'm currently on the Board of Trustees for the Community Health Corps here over in Longview. And I've been over there for a couple of years now, and a lot of the problems that we're having really aren't getting addressed on the state level as far as getting the folks the help that they need. And that's on the law enforcement side. When we start talking about that, and a lot of that goes back into about the what causes those issues. The majority of the problem we have with our mental is because of the narcotics issues we have in the county. And here in the county, I have a unit that's called the Special Investigations Unit, and we usually put out once a month with a local paper on what their activities are and the arrests that they've made. And they've been doing a very good job of doing that. Also working with the Drug Administration Office, DEA, where I have a person assigned to their task force, has opened up another resource for us to help deal with the drug issue here in the county, and it's worked out real well.
Now, Sheriff, this is your second term going to your third. Obviously, constituents here have reelected you once. What's worked in your 2 terms here, and what would you change going into your third term?
Really, to change, I think is not a good word. What I would say, change. I think they're very happy on where we are going and where we've come from. I think if anything, I would be improving on a lot of stuff, and with that, improving on the services that we give them, how we get the services to them. That includes all first responders. We've been able to so far since we started doing the service part of it. We've made improvements with the radio system that we've had, which when I first took office was inadequate, wasn't really working, and we were able to switch to a digital radio system that didn't cost the county any money, and the taxpayers didn't have to pay for that. We were able to do that. The next one was we were able to actually upgrade the computer program here in the sheriff's office to include a mobile computer aided dispatching system, which they normally call a CAD system, where all the patrol cars now have a computer in their car. They receive the dispatch calls, they can do the reports, they can everything, which also increases their time out in the county. So they don't have to come here to do that work. They can actually stay out in the field longer and interact with the citizens more, be able to do their work and still get their job done as far as doing the reports and things out in the field. And that's worked out very, very well. So that's kind of where we're at with that. The community part of it, we have implemented our Citizens Police Academy, which we've had five now that we've done. And that actually opens up the doors to the sheriff's office, actually the whole county. Because I bring in district judge, I bring in the county judge, the DA, I bring in DPS, the constables, the JPs, the whole law enforcement and judicial system, so the citizens know how this all plays out in their community and who they can actually go to take care of an issue that they need to get done. It's worked out real well. We've done women handgun safety classes. We've done general women's classes. One of our big ones that we've had just here recently was our church safety program that we did, where we're here at a church here in Longview, and the Redemption Worship Center, which is just down here on 271. We did that, and we had 99 individuals from, I believe, 20 different churches that came to that. So that's been a big hit also. So the interaction with the community is a big deal with them. Going forward, we also to improve the school safety. We just recently were able to, since I took office, we only had 2 school districts that had SROs, and we have 8 school districts in the county. One of them being Gladewater. The Gladewater High School is in our jurisdiction. Now their SRO is through Gladewater PD, but the other 7 now all have sheriff's personnel on their campus now as a SRO, which is a big improvement from where we were at to where we got now. So all of the school districts in the county now are covered with a uniform law enforcement on campus.
So, you were talking about your experience earlier in law enforcement. How do you think that's helping your campaign, and how is currently your campaign going?
My experience, I have experience in just about all aspects of law enforcement. I've been very fortunate in my law enforcement career to do a lot of things, from working in specialized units, from tactical operations to investigations, narcotics, canine, special investigative units. So I've been exposed to a whole lot of administrative issues, patrol issues and things like that, which has actually given me the experience and the knowledge to come here, do this job, and do it to the best that I can. And I think that's what the people of Upshur County have been seeing.
And then how long have you been the sheriff here in Upshur County?
This term is going to be 8 years.
8 years total.
Yes,
So
total.
once you finish this one, going into you're reelected.
Yes, to my 3rd term.
Perfect. So I guess last question is message to voters as they, already are early voting or wait till November 5th to vote. What's your message to voters in Upshur County?
My message is get out and vote. It's very important that the rural communities in this state get out and exercise their right to vote. And I appreciate everybody's support. I know that I've been contacted by a lot of the citizens in this county with the primary election over with, and then going into the general election with their support. And I greatly appreciate everything that they've done for us as a sheriff's office, because without their support, we're just here spinning our wheels, and we can't get anything done without them.
Anything else worth mentioning or adding?
I think we're good.